Hey everyone, welcome back to Ian's Kitchen at Home channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious tonkotsu ramen from scratch, right in your own kitchen. We will be starting with the pork bone broth. Simmer it low and slow to bring up the deep umami flavor. Topping with everything in between. It takes time and love, but the result is totally worth it. Let's get started. I had also made the broth by simmering pork and chicken bone for 12 to 18 hours. And prepare the char siu by searing the pork belly and simmering it for 2 to 3 hours. Once the pork belly was done simmering, I refrigerated it overnight to chill and firm up, then slide it the next day. I slide seaweed into thin strips to garnish the ramen. I finely chop the spring onions to use as a fresh garnish. I finely mince the garlic to enhance the aroma and depth of the ramen. After mincing the garlic, I powder it into a smooth paste to intensify the flavor. I serve takana as a side dish to complement the richness of the ramen. I make this ramen teh from the scratch to give the broth a deep and savory flavor. I prepare 4 uncooked ramen portions for our family dinner. Fill a pot with hot water to begin cooking the ramen noodles. Boil the noodles for approximately 2 minutes until tender. Once cooked, drain and set the noodle aside. Begin assembling the ramen by adding the teh to the bottom of the bowl. After adding the teh, pour in the hot broth and stir well to blend the flavors. Carefully place the cooked ramen noodles into the bowl, combining them with the broth and teh. Stir the noodle well to ensure they absorb the flavor of the broth. Finish by adding tender, melt-in-your-mouth char siu on top. Top the ramen with some seaweed peas and stripe to boost the flavor and texture. My kids absolutely love seaweed, so it's always a must-have garnish. Garnish with finely chopped spring onions for a fresh and vibrant finish. Enjoy ramen with takana and garlic paste served alongside as a flavorful side dishes. And there you go. Homemade tonkotsu ramen is truly a labor of love, but the result is deeply satisfying bowl of comfort. Serve it hot, share with loved one, and savor every moment. Love homemade ramen and tasty recipes? Subscribe now to never miss a new post. Click the subscribe button and let's cook something amazing together. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video.